an wale be nyol dobadan enderan yo dere kaje ka YouTube de be nyol die kajen ngi chemene dundo te ka some setting to go no de kon ka gwikel ngad jeno ti ka YouTube ka gor jeno YouTube do dara wen yam dara grow no donc ku do dan dong de setup kaja ko be nyoten dial kon lat go den gwasame kam nen koname jin bu wa ka YouTube studio do bu weten no bitin kon tin de YouTube de dang niam no buka wujekten chemanen kon gwatame wana kaman bana gwit gwasame man go rab bialat gwasame werka setting name shale setting name gen setting go je bi twine take a setup to belel the very important along show video show je skip ano ko bu kon kanen kanti diala content ngwanka je ano twanya aname setting a setting mishi twine titi to bi bentene ano camera do katen ano titine kana content boom ne ken ban kulu we ka gwadro dien gwada me bu konu ten kalkale bu konu ne ko de kon country dan de kon ger la wuje danen dong demonetization darten ko mishi wala je wuje do dien dong chaje de allow ko demonetization de rejek ano kana ito ngwan ga kelong lan we ichi monetization da isha let ke chan pegan chalat chananen shit ko dong mi shabi din wu chaka gwich de wo charu ku de kan ngach ko wo chaure pana wi writing wala ken no gwal me setting te de gore blood ka setting alajin kajan setting me mini jaral mu che twan be jinung yoko la currency de ka ger de ka lat ka dollar ke de ka lat ka enemy guji mon me de ka lat none okay la yoko dan de ben kaja ting lel ka la to ko ken je ka Netherland dollar de latin de twine da or ger shiglel je lo go ne jenu jen American dollar ke de ko la US dollar de latin bo kan dial mu guji mon wonin ka Kenya shilling de latin no ne memen yam amara diana ne mem shali channel gwado me jen gwado danan bi nyugo dial bi ka ben garten ka channel gwazo me de nen tama cha konong na mishali basic information titi cha kon kanen okay titine akan go the content bu kon ka garten gor no ne michale la country of resident jana dine jan gate dial mi jira mu goro ba kandu ke YouTube ba monetize goro ne me goro jeno resident du bi ger gwado dana titen an gwado titen on bi garten manager gar we do dien madong yenen kon won andu na chalat ka South Africa kajin waje dien gorimo muguru ne America la United States bi je pingwadmen United Kingdom United States United Arab Emirates amelat gwadmen United States no adi la bena country guji mono badun baje monetized ko te ka ta win Africa but kwa law to they use bane ka jan monetization tit kamen te Kenya bo Kenya jaten dio je pa la rejbo ko te wiri kan la rej gwadmen chan men ben gwada Uganda teten okay chan Kenya janen jaten te Kenya ten te Uganda bo teten gwaso me mi chu wi ke Uganda de rejek mental gwadme Ethiopia tele ngore kana law Ethiopia teleje mi teten de rana chulat muguni je bode lat ke Egypt okay you pick a country na me very important me kan me la de setup me ngeda no te me kan ngaj shi wo cha ru ko chikaro dien bi nyoko chikaro dien bu kwen ba gor je na me dere gar ka country dan no la country of resident no na me kel keep it in mind okay very important to kon kam de dien ban nen bo gwazo men to kon kam chelele advance me within te me gor no bi we nyoko me gereten twanya mi che twan gwazo me te belade very important part kanti dundu mi che la kuma chelele yes set this channel as made for kit. I mostly upload content that I made for kit. Alana me dungan. Mishi video nchi la tumu nemgwadu me titini ke dungan. Okay? Che guano wobi lat guadamo. So go region wobi lele bi lat kana me michelele no said this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that is made for kit. Guadu me jen bi latan me chitiken. No. Go region wo jen bitigone. Amradian the ping was a man bukon your good and a man. Don't shall take on a man. Go review with me. I want to review this setting for every video. Name be young on a long while than a cool video could upload, but young on a shank ko be larry. Chulel man. Go to no bill and algorithm, but we video shall let it in your chabitabile la teacher. Maybe we are Nishang with Yatija long, Nishang with Yatija. So let you learn your caname. Correct, Danjan, get the darren. Okay, again, not said this, no, said this channel. To not made for kid. Name again be Latin and correct and okay. Name da lagen. Work on setting dodien. Name a mutual care feasibility. Key future eligibility. This one. Take some setting to Bogarten, okay. But before we proceed, and men which they con with government. Good, Bukon, which I'm good con advanced setting one opinion. Tell you Bukon which. Titina can go the con dairy a setting good day tan in the garden, but it is tell me go no be garden, okay? Name initially allow automatic dubbing a minute. Okay, Name o Jin don't tell Rami mommy quit to dan right special mura to coin a dong to gradient, so Name be jugudi and obey translate, okay? So Name Micha translate. But I'm doing the video they with them Guadamo and I'll be link to Gladian. But go right on Togna Guadame and I shall go over the Betekajan Togome. So they mulel. They watch. So let's say it, don't they name de antique, okay? At question ka go again and anything. Otherwise you leave it. Meridian Jene work a future eligibility. A future eligibility be take a Kashiman Cormo Guataman, Benegatitin. Okay, very important part jene na men chelele standard la be karware telerik this one na me tele problem la da ti ho jen chelele na belone be jako deri playlist der ka create la ten shala playlist ne deri playlist der create da wang mi chakam deri new video to existing playlist deri la right the playlist creation deri lat deri video upload deri la right ajara jen gwadan ko chai kam na mene me la be automatically gwaz dan na men to video na ka upload ka YouTube so baja allow can mishi ngaje na me chama gwa man din bilel gwa to me ndong der keep in mind berpin na mane go region will be remember long and me temshale intermediate future tem go gwa me especially gwa go region be telephone be la verify phone number na me especially and share verify already mishi verify by the way there video mishi la there thumbnail there jager la custom thumbnail tour man gwa dana bawo ne na ba yu twanya ken biken nang be nang video video mi ala video kwa jingi ke tour man gwa chelare mishi lam bi tour mi jek teram bi gwe video mo teram bi twan so gwa no de custom thumbnail there jek mishi phone shi lel shi verify mar den gwa me there we ka live video streaming very important but they large Meridian they video me take 15 minutes away nyam they large mi shi telephone mi shi verify but me can verify tell away out chebu to kaji charge be no kan chi video me bar shi blare so go they telephone they lel they verify go verify phone number mi shi twanya number by the way kaji bi nen be take code bi number bi large bi location and written bi ga lawidu Would titan chula no she with a chalari chicken America with no chicken. Would you titan on any phone number with it and titan again belelon? Okay? Check it setting up on a jigger right now, basic information, Manchana way. Check it can a man. Check it go basic information, non pike country, pike on Gerton. No chicken chat. Okay? Name future eligibility and Mudadian. Okay, will be telephone be verified. So, gentlemen, Meridian, the last thing, Guadame, Michelel Guadame, advanced future. Advanced future, Jen Guadana take Quaji, Quajaco, Deri, Dunderi, monetize. So, Name, Bukalu, Camilla Corodian, Guadadan, and Chitiak, and Ocodon, the monetize, special let Genetum channel list or car on no watch, go can janka gentlemen. Get a video on one she will chin where a chair or they should 11 time. But Misha, which are you to that level already. So, Name, one a cab load default. Basic guard me Kenya am gorgen will be bi description bi lat ko ba di kulengich na me chali description dung channel kadu na me title okay na me ni visibility tem gor bu kulat gwasa me under visibility cause dong jin mi chitro chiglat na me jen very important okay visibility some people take unlisted some people take a private la video mi upload ka chelas ka private video mo jin bi guje karwadu chabu ne ideal jin karwadu ka chabu jeg boko YouTube jin bi jagu jin gwanda video mon mi chelas kan listed gwasa me jira mo men chit video las kan listed ene yo shiram mo che janga de mi che ko le jagling link video go do jen be guje teraren bi ne jin yana je ndangro best thing that you can do lamni ka public gwasa me ala public visibility ala public always okay so na me dere ngaj another thing mi shall tag me by the way gwalon ko janda na ba video ku mal je kaje shenta de nan gwa chalat gwa me chele how to use YouTube, how to use YouTube TV, how to use YouTube app, how to use the YouTube app, how to use YouTube on an iPad, all these things to take a teacher la rejam gwa mo so mi jinna na je dere guje no chagala titi ka tagnen to dong chalat ka video no koken ene koken jen la mi shela ra gwa mi sha video charge search yo ba video ba jo jek na mo dere keep in mind am gwa na den jena gwa to me dong de remember ka advanced setting me very important worka category gwa titi should work gersen worka category gwa dana bi niche ke project do bi jekten okay chian right now cha lele education da shwa education ko ngejena na mi shejen de lat ka comedy mi jen comedy abi lat gwata me mi jira mi lat ka torbiyel bi lat ka autos and vehicles mi jira den mi te entertainment industry bi lat ka entertainment mi jira mi goro music bi lat ka music don la blown music mi jira mi goro news and politics bi lat ka news and politics away opinion and go to people and blog bi lat ka people and blog no go no non-profit and activism bi lat gwadam and mugoro mugwadam bi sala kala jin okay ala and lat gwadam be del chat kamanda an lede malat kene ko ken ko ba video ba ko je ka that category ane ideal ko ken yot ke ja ba mi ken latin be bejelong okay meden gwa de la dun comment ka ne to ngwandong chikana goro bana comment ka jin ken mi shi comment mi shi turn off mi temte ko on ba mi shi twanya che lat ko off let's say it atwanya ja gwasme mi che lat ko bete right now teram de comment ka video na ga dial ko no balarich okay ne me je kon to ko ka upload ka permission gwasme ajan gwada dana bi email bi jejekten ano mi shi email rada din che jektena a she je ne da ram mo goro kwala dundu okay bi watch mi che recognize woje automatically ka mi shi jende rada de ja ka manager da dun da manage somewhere so you have to be careful kana me wana kamra diana mene I took on community moderation, okay? Community moderation, gwada dan they comment, gwada chit comment on new video and post, they lat ko on mugurija. You know, this is nothing, kana agreement. So chikon to gwada men. After that you talk, you save it, okay? Busy save. Kwana ben, kama nana gur kone. Men kwala laro chana ben gwada. Jina ber gwada men chelele setting and sorry, kahen. Ena me jan gwada na bana men dana gur kon bana ejecten, okay? Na me. Chelele henen na me very important along ka setting ne dial jan gwada na bana wuchung tena tama chikon bi jainten but go jan leader keep in mind ko very important gwasme being your progress do gwada danen chichop ki ngul gor ko mo Facebook YouTube bi jek mi shi nim ki twany bi jinung na mene no te to ngwane chalat gwasme me dere kwen ken yam tuk de en on YouTube jane jeg yo ko YouTube gwada me che you gonna start your earning journey to drop down there you did ke okay earn income by connecting with your fund and gain access to support forum and creator tools jana gwada me jan gwada dan bi rajitin ka ne ko non gor ke ji kana drop down dong de you did ke kajna men men gor ko non gwada chi dia ti kwen yetine go down werping gwada me pega nyam bi pega me bijek tem chalele eligibility man nyam gwada mene shawena na gur keji 500 gwada special right now 500 check by last subscriber take 821 subscribers but gur ko 500 already shabel na machine very important but wo bajilip do kan ji YouTube de ji allow ko dong de market de le de nyong de connect market bana mo shi important kon ko sha kon gor na me gor jeno bizil take 3 video upload ka kor pen ka kor ni jan bangwan we mean that pass diok no American gwasame gor ga ji valid public watch out she right now she teach of 234 chakalat titene titi kan public watch out kon chela but gor ga kina dang jokaji nya gwadme gor ka short ne taga for it valid public short view ka muguri you know baji monetize gori 3 million view but keep in mind gwadme bokolo jo gwadme ko bi akule understand ta dan ledeje ate uto mane ana confuse gwadme diye nene ntama chana jogo no 3000 gwadme you know kata ke 234 but I mean just go no jina blood bawo ni am ko blet bi mal jegana mene baji le market de jawde connect boke AdSense website de jakoba no deri dong deri de game deri ke jekke de ji allow ko deri de market deri jek but market la daga neten konte ke tukno online you know la ne konte la ngane ko online but ka kon tam dum chikalet so men tin wo deri 3000 deri mal jek no so keep in mind cha go 3000 ke YouTube men gurga jene ke YouTube we're ping gwasamene very important part jene lamen goro gwasamene wo video no ku bi yobe ke jekten pardon yam jene men cha nyot kon eligibility jene ne gwadame take 821 men gurga jene gurke 1000 subscriber 1000 subscriber gurga ko jin baje accept mishi 1000 subscriber shi tiang baro ticket and progress de nen je pe gwadame jenen ko ye pe gwa gurka aron 189 be 1000 be kula tiang so na me be utigiyo meridian gwa the very important part amichalel gwa the public watch hour ke ken kon gurke la tanan kon gurke video nuku gurke ji 4000 watch hour 4000 watch hour very important lungo de kalat but tigu bila lora bang bi kalat unless la video la upload me la video la upload telejeriak be 4000 watch hour bugulel bi kejekchete right now take 234 we mean that go around 3800 be 4000 watch hour be kulel tiang and para me misha chup a chejek bale li gwadam bayu tik bayu jogo chaji accept kubenga company bayu bayu to ngombe to lene bayu konang na jakat sender no so na me meritin keep it in mind and very important and ngijeme mi kon pingwadme tim meritin gode nyaka kon ne dumala let kan te shal ke short la short video gorge 10000 my friend ka 10000 be 10000 million sorry 10 million views 10 million view ma micha view nu ku cha go itelam beje kanyok short bani chicken pay that well ka kon ko ken barke ji dong let ka short okay chi 10 million jek dunam ba tik de yo de ko to ka jek okay but tenen ka for it but let me tell you one thing mishi jego no jin la upload ni short ni shang I'm telling you a chance 1000 subscribe chi jek bin 10 kon shala viewer ke watch out to go we kono gwadame ana bi ka chi go mal jek so we focus ka short kan ka bi long video pel she watch out chi go mal chup it's better they focus ka long video so mishi long video she go to go chi go chup then they kulu ka short video yo beginning subscriber but chicken watch out ko chicken gatiang so keep that in mind very important madere ka koro kel no so kujemo men changi je gwada me very important la ja je ko je ka hen okay jan gwada bi progress bi leli bi jekten bi tin goro ka je shet ke tin chal ke subscriber bi ngaje ngoro je 1000 medodien bi ngaje no jin goro je 4000 watch hour gwada men ka chala ni 234 we mean that target 3800 something to bagoro balat adno shebegwa makan video na kan ka kona upload so chana min we kana me chalele content wurka content gwasa mene bi video nu buko ngach content we twan be nyo video nu kuten kon ano tin te gwada mo kitie tama kan video naka mi jini bi ka video gwada be ka jek katena you know ala view ko ikene me view der nyodi you know shirena me donyen video dan che view ngane jetne 844 but there is video ni ken kweke titini ka comment titini ka det nina konen che video ni chakalat kije. So every day you should make a video you will online. So, okay keep it in mind ko a very important na mone la mille di video ni online jaga jiku ba ji ma recommend bo Facebook din nan gwadme April 11 2026 na me April 11 2026 na me April 11 2026 na me April 9 2025. We mean that ka shanka well cha can let chale ko ken chakalat. So make sure be video la day every day ko muguri jano be repeat. By the way, you need to upload more videos. Okay, so na me meditin Meridian dong ben yo de allow de viewer ko de kan aje de shit ke ala view shit ke view de ben ka analytic was me analytic bu wetin tim bu twine ten was me go rablalet analytic twine mi she twine eno jen be yin no ngwata me bi ba ngaje no jin ne de gwi ji tamaka de jete right now ne de gwi gwada me kanti 135 ka like last 48 hours no subscriber ka kanti ne ana ka dara gwada me don te ka update right now then bo ri rep ka wo viewer ba gwada mi shigaral bu ri rep gwada me ka subscriber tin konen bere chanen titine ka watch hour tin konen be gwada me la janyu tin relevant la ka nyu ji but important part of because jik kwada me chiman chala yin buwe kahen chiman chen nyodo ni mandan and then be nang gwada dan bi ngaje no ke wo charo chup ko di chala doni jen gwada bi ne antene men so jen gwada ban chung tin ka ta dan de kon face YouTube dan de kon setup ke je la full setup drop down their video ne de ka upload ke je one more thing me belel ka bu kon chu talk ada la wujin mu guru bi video bi upload wur ka mi chele le create mon ana me a Facebook me a mobile user mo ke user ni computer bi twany be jinung titi titin be ganongi shirmnen kon mo gwada me ta upload tetin ana te mi jalele ne go live tetin ana to kon ke mi chagor gwada me create post dong di post de create kon ke new playlist to kon ke new podcast ban mera kon ago ni shang along gwada me a video bi lele bi upload. Okay, make sure do that. So anyway lam video lam ja upload jen bay no kon ene bi ataga mal ban nyo je kan nada ngi jodien ke tutorial dien. Bye bye.